24, AMC 8, problem 16. And we're looking at this logic puzzle problem here. And it says that Min enters the numbers 1 through 81 into the cells of a 9 by 9 grid in some order. She calculates the product of the numbers in each row and column. What is the least number of rows and columns that could have a product divisible by 3? So this is actually a great problem here, and I think it's really actually interesting. So what we want to do here is try to minimize the number of columns and rows that we're taking up. And let's say if it was just minimize the number of rows, then we could just like put all of the three-digit numbers possible in the rows, right? We would just do this. Um, and fill up as many rows as necessary. But the issue here is that now with columns and rows, now we have all of the columns filled up, which we don't want to do. So instead, we want to sort of cluster them. So what I want to try to do is see, let's start by finding the number of numbers divisible by 3 in 1 through 81. So whenever we're trying to find the number of numbers divisible by some amount, we just take our amount or our greatest number here, since it's all the whole numbers, and we know that since there's a number divisible by 3 every 3 numbers, then that the number of numbers divisible by 3 in 1 through 81 should be 27. So we have 27 numbers that are divisible by 3. And we want to sort of like cluster them, right? Because if we have something like this, so like cluster them here, we would have 3 rows and 3 columns taken up instead of what we had before, which was only 1 row, yes, but it was 9 columns. So this way we have 6, and in this way we had 10. So we want to cluster them. But because we have 27, we definitely need to take up more spots than this. This is only 9. So if we did this, that'd be 4 by 4, which is 16. And that's 8 rows and columns taken up, which isn't enough at this point. Let's add a couple more. And if we do this, we have 25. But we have 2 left over, which is kind of awkward since doing this would add another column, which I'm not sure is the best. Or maybe if we tried another way, if we had more this way, this is 6 and 4, that's 10. Actually, this is pretty much the same thing. This is 7 and 4. So I think any way we do it, the least that we can get is 11 rows and columns that are divisible by 3. So this is 5 by 5. If we add 2 more, I think that this is definitely the best way to do it. These 2 more are kind of awkward, but no matter what, I think the 2 more would have to take up at least 1 column, right? And in this case, yeah, we took up our 1 row or 1 column. And in this case, we took up 1 more column added to the 5 by 5 before. So it would be 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. And I believe that D, 11, is our best answer. Yep. All right. Thanks, guys.